Hi everyone, my name is Majira and I'm here with Blue. So Blue just like randomly showed up at my house. Like I don't even know where he came from. But I figured since he was already at my house, we might as well make a video together, right? We went on Twitter and on Instagram and we asked you guys to give us some suggestions for what we should do for the video. So let's get started. Scream. No, not right now. Not right now. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Boop each other. Hug. Red versus blue. You know you're not driving anywhere, right? You have to use the wheel. No, that's not. Make food.
A few moments later.
Blue, no.
2 hours later.
Yummy! This is going to be an infringement violation. Recreate a scene from a movie. Become blue. Yeah, blue like you. Have a dance off. Switch your suit parts. Number 4. Make a porno.
I've been really trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you like that,
Play with a fidget spinner. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you, Blue, for being in it. Even though you just came over to my house, I don't even know where you came from. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out Blue's Twitter. Have anything you'd like to say to the audience? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!